Preview.
In this lesson, we will talk about HTML links, and we will see how to link two HTML pages and navigate from one to another and vice versa. So let's open our text editor and start writing HTML. Here I have opened my Notepad++ and created two files called index.html and about.html inside a same folder. Generally, a tag is used in HTML to hyperlink pages. The a tag is also known as anchor. A tag can be used to hyperlink HTML pages, images, videos, or files. Basically, it needs a required attribute called href. Generally, href holds the path to a specific file. When we click on the text mentioned within the a tag, it will redirect us to that specific URL. Now let's go back to our editor and see how a tag actually works in our browser. Inside the body, I'm adding h1 tag and it will contain the page name. So the first page name is home, and now I'm adding the a tag which will redirect the user to about page. So let's add go to about page. So when we will click on go to about page, it will lead us to the about.html file. And in the same way, about page will contain the heading about, and we will also add a link to go back to the home page again. You can see that we have named our home page as index.html. Now let's save this file and run it on our browser. You can see the output. Here we are having our heading home and the link to go to the about page. Let me click on it. And you see the about page. Let me zoom it. Just like the home page, about page is having the header and the link to go back to the home page. Now notice the URL, the last segment of the URL, how it is changing when we change our pages. So that's how hyperlink works in HTML. In our later videos, I will also share you how to link sections of a single page.